Hey guys, what's up? Namaste. Welcome back to my Psy Gear vlogs. You know that I'm in Goa and I wanted to shoot this vlog before itself. Like on day one, it's been almost 3 days that I'm staying in this beautiful place. So I'm at 3 wave rooms in apartment flat. The contact number is right there. You can check that out and let me show you this beautiful place. So this is the entrance and we have the houses over here, the apartments. That's my apartment. I'm staying there. I'm going to take you there very soon. Be patient. And this is another apartment. Literally there's some swing over there. People can just swing and chill over there. The outside area. There are coconut trees in this whole place. Goa is all of coconut trees. They have this beautiful net for the coconut. For the coconuts, when they fall down, it should not fall on head of anybody. So yeah, for that purpose the net is, and they have beautiful garden, some art on the walls. That's my room. There's some dog over here and there are some puppies also, but I don't see them today. Don't know where are they. There are some apartments over here also, and for all of them literally they have the balconies where you can just sit and chill. And wow, this is the most attractive place. Get over there. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful. Let's go over there. That looks very interesting. Woo! Wow. The sun. What is up, guys? Namaste. So as I was showing, my guest house come apartment come everything, it's a very beautiful place. We are right here at this place, and literally I find that house really so interesting. And just look at the background, guys. Like, just look at the greenery, how beautiful the trees, the flowers, you know just look at it. And then something forces me to actually go into that abandoned house, or even people are existing. We don't know what is that. Let's go and check it out. Damn, Goa is the best place to explore your life. You see some net kind of thing, nest or what, I don't know. Beautiful place. We are almost here. Oh, wow. Looks like there's nobody over here, guys. Oh my god. And there's some lighter. Oh my god, that's freaky. Just look at it. This is the tulsi plant. There's a net. There's this beautiful coconut tree. This is completely like, there's nobody here. There's some way over here again to explore. People can just walk from here. I think you can't walk from this dump. Wow. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Like this video and share it with your friends and come to Goa, experience this beautiful vibes. Comment on this video. How do you like this amazing, beautiful abandoned house? Do you find it freaky or do you find it calm and peaceful? Would you want to stay in this house? Comment in the video. I would love to read your comments. Hula! I would love to read your comments and all your shares make me so much happy. If you just watch the video, like it, share it with your friends. It would be really helpful for me. I can make more awesome content for you guys completely. Just look at it. This should be the best thumbnail. This should be the thumbnail, like my own private home. Now I would just sit here for some time and chill, because I think in some time I would have to log in, probably in half an hour or 1 hour. So I want to start with a nice fresh day mindset. So I thought, let's come here. It's beautiful Goa. Stay tuned, guys, and keep watching Psy Gear. Guys, these are touch me not plants, so I'm gonna show you the touch me not thing right now. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful to watch something like this in the morning? Wow. Love that. Just look at my view in the morning. It's a bit cloudy today, but it's also sunny. Look at the beautiful flowers. So I had a very good time staying over there in that abandoned house. Now we are going back to my room and I want you to see my room. And they have a mini mart over here. Let me show you that as well. So there's this mini mart over here, and literally people can just buy all the things, eggs, Coke, all are available over here. Say hi, Raj, to my YouTube. Now let's go to my room, guys. Let's go onto the door. My YouTube channel's name is Psy Gear. Psy Gear. Yeah. So yes, we are going to my room. Let's do this. So now that we have come inside, I have a fridge over here. Literally, I have filled it up most of the things. That's the chicken which I didn't like. I think I should throw it. And morning I just made my ham sandwich. I will be posting you that picture. And I have all the things I just bought. Planning to make some chicken curry and rice. Let's see how successful that will be. This is the washroom. It's okay. It's good actually, like home. And this is amazing. Literally, if any friends come, well, I have no friends. I'm my only friend, so I just sit here and chill here in the sofa. And we have an attached balcony again over here. So look at this. You can just relax over here as well. Coconut trees, the breeze, beautiful area. Let's go to that place. This is a little bit messy, so you guys have to excuse me for that. I have my laptops over here for working, and my clothes. It's all completely in shabby condition because we are here in Goa. This is the mirror, a big mirror, and the one I want to show you guys is this. Voila! So this is my balcony. I have the beautiful view of that abandoned house a bit, and the coconut trees. I can see the other apartment. There's some other villa over there. So it's amazing place, guys. I'm going to stay here for a couple of days. So I'm so excited about my journey, and now I guess I have to work in some time. In half an hour I have to log in. That's the crazy thing, but it's going to be amazing as it is. That's how life is. So I will try my best to shoot the night vlog of the beach tonight, if possible, if I get a chance to go outside after my log out, because my shift is at 3 p.m. and I'm going to log out at 12 o'clock in the night. So the beach is always open and free and freedom all the time. So maybe I will shoot the vlog for you guys. Definitely I will shoot everything for you guys to show you all corners of Goa and life and vibe and everything. So stay tuned and keep watching to Psy Gear. If you like this episode, just hit a like and share this video with your friends. Comment how did you like this video, my place. And if you need any information, you can ask me. I can comment and reply. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. All my live updates at Psy_Gear. Psy Gear. So, see you guys again in my next vlog. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye. Take care and enjoy. Hello everybody, good evening, welcome back again. So you know that I started working already. So now what's the time? The time is 6:44 and I'm here on top of my terrace. In the morning I showed you the whole place, right? So this is how it looks on top. I really miss to show you guys this, but never we are gonna miss anything because the moment is everything. And here is the beautiful place, view where you can just see, and I just miss the sunset because my break timings are colliding with each other. So I thought, why not I just chill the time, whatever it is, and you can hear the birds. And right behind me there are coconut trees. Goa! I'm just loving Goa, and to work in Goa is definitely 100% yes, guys. So do come Goa. You can just work from here You can party from here, you can do everything what you want. It's just you need the spirit of energy, and you're there right there. So I'll chill here for some time and back to work again. So I might go to some festival tonight. I don't know, my friends are calling me, so let's see if that works out. I'll shoot a vlog for you guys. So stay tuned and keep watching, and make sure you subscribe this video, like and share and comment, and I love you. Mwah. Bye bye. Om Namah Shivaya. Hey guys, what's up? It's 12 o'clock almost in the night, and you might be thinking, why am I dressed up or with this eyeliner or makeup? It's because my friends are literally grabbing my attention for the party. So
hello.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's good morning. Yes. So it's good morning. By the way, at 12 o'clock in the night, my friends, they told me that they're gonna pick me up for the party, and I told them that if you drop me by 2 o'clock in the night, then I will come for the party. So they really agreed to that. They're sweet. So excited to go out with my friends, my new friends apparently. So I'm going to record that experience as well. Yes, so I'm waiting for them. In like few minutes exactly, I'm going to log out, and then I'm ready for the party for like 1 hour. Let's see how the flow is going to be, and I'm going to record the festival experience if I reach there. So keep watching again.